Hi y'all. Today I'm going to take a bath and I'm going to use the Lush Christmas 2024 bath bomb called Star of Wonder. As you can see, it's covered with gold and it has looks like some layers of color on the sides. Now this has the scent of the North Pole soap from Lush, which is a retro soap for Christmas. And it's made with peppermint, vanilla, and cocoa. It is absolutely amazing smelling. It's amazing. It was amazing smelling back then in the soap, and it's amazing smelling now in this wonderfully lovely bath bomb. And now I'll shut up so we can see what it looks like in the tub. You can see the water is kind of a light pink. I would rate this bath bomb a 5 out of 5 for the look and the wonderful smell. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video.